Hi guys, this is the second video I made on the tire mounting machine that I've built. The last time I didn't make it work because I just painted it and I didn't want to scratch it. So now I'm going to go around, show you a little bit the basics of the machine. I'm going to show you how it works. The first time I made the video, the machine was like sitting on the floor with just weights. And it's actually pretty hard to work because the machine was always wrestling around. Because once you're going to start working on the tires, you give it a good yank sometime and the machine just goes around and everything, so it's really hell. So, like I said guys, whatever is nice for you guys, but if you have a chance to bolt it on the floor, just go ahead. It makes it a lot more easier to work. This is actually fairly tall because I'm like 6'5". And all the machines, that's basically the reason why I made one, is that the machine that were sold on the net, they're like made for 4 feet guys, and I'm like 2 feet more than that. So what I did is I built one, and I'm actually pretty glad because this one works pretty good for me. So this is the top plate. It's made of wood. This is actually that's actually an old dumbbell that I had and that I welded in the rack. This structure is made of these are old racking from a store where I work. Like I said in the previous video, fairly easy to work. They're stainless, easy to weld. I have a little welder, so you don't need too much equipment to build one of those. You just need a little welder, a grinder, and you're in business. So that's the top plate made of wood. These little holes here, they're just for different size of tire, and these other holes here are like because you need 2 pins to stabilize the tire when you're going to put it on. So, you're going to need a bar to work it, so I'm going to show you the bar around. Actually, this bar is pretty nice. It's not too long, it's about 24, maybe 30 inch. This part here is to put the tire back on. There's actually a little lip here you're going to see underneath. You're going to see how it works. Pretty nice. And on the other side, it's like a little scoop. So, works good. These are few pieces of metal that I welded on, and actually the first bar I made was made as you can see here, there's like a little bar of stainless steel. It was pretty nice. It was nice and shiny and everything, but the first time I used it, it bent, so it wasn't strong enough. This thing here is like an old piece of pipe I had where I work from when they installed the sprinkler system. It's pretty thick, and it does the job. It's pretty easy to weld, so this is the bar to use. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to stop for a few minutes. I'm going to put the camera on the tripod, and I'm going to show you how it works.